So our topic for today is living online, networks, and the internet. Here are the objectives of this lesson. Identify network fundamentals, identify the benefits and risks of network computing, identify the relationship between computer networks and other communications networks and the internet. So the introduction is today millions of people are using the internet. Conduct business, do research, or read the latest news. Download software and files, shop online, play computer games, or look for employment opportunities. Number of users has been continuously increasing to hundreds of millions over the past few years. What really is the internet? How does it work? How did it start? How can we benefit from the internet? Okay, we dive into our internet. The internet, or simply the net, is a collection of computer networks that link millions of different computers around the world. Why information superhighway? You can travel to any of the millions of computers that are hooked up to the internet. Computers might be thousands of miles away. So how does the internet work? Data travels by being relayed from one computer on a network to another computer and another network until it reaches its destination. Just like the web there, web of a spider that will connect all the computers all over the world by way of web. Okay? So what is a computer network? A computer network is a group of connected computers that exchange information. So this is the exchange of information. Why computers are connected with each other, so that in that way they can exchange information. What are protocols? Protocol is a standardized collection of rules and conventions so that computers can exchange information regardless of their type of or brand. Okay? So networks can be categorized by scale, by functional relationship, by topology, by technology being used. So they are connected by way of by scale, by functional relationship, by topology, and by technology use.